Okay, we are at 12:35 with Mr. Michael, and we're gonna do a video. This is the new pipe. This is the pipe burst, the one we pull. There's some water in there. There's some paper stuck in there. Yeah, it's going now. And this is the liner. And this is the main. This is the first connection to the city, and that's the city. We cannot touch. We can only go to the first connection of the city always. If we pass that, oh, they get angry.
So that's it, huh?
That's the main, yep.
And nothing's gonna get caught on those little burrs there or anything?
No, that's way too much.
Too much pressure down.
Can you go ahead and flush the toilet so you can see if we can push some of the leftovers on the black pipe? And
Stay. Go back. Come on, upstairs. Upstairs. Come on. Come on.